Before you can complete the square, the leading coefficient has to be 1. So we have divided every term on both sides by 4. And that leaves you x squared plus 3/4 x plus 2 equals 0. And then the problem asks you to move the constant to the other side. So I subtract 2 from both sides. To complete the square, the formula is always 1/2 times b, and this is b, 3/4 squared. And I think you're missing this 1/2 part. So if I've added this to the left-hand side, I must add it to the right-hand side and get 1/2 times 3/4 squared. So this is x squared plus 3/4 x plus, this is 3/8. 1/2 times 3/4 is 3/8 squared is 9/64 equals -2 plus 9/64. And now factor the left-hand side, and that's going to be x plus 3/8 times x plus 3/8 equals, we want to put this over 64. So that's going to be 2 times 4 is 8, 128 negative. So rewrite, you can check this factoring to make sure that's correct. And let's rewrite that as x plus 3/8 quantity squared, because there's 2 of them, equals -119 over 64. And I think I've gotten you through your question. Next thing you would do is take the square root of both sides. Let me go ahead and finish it. If you take the square root of both sides, that gives you plus or minus. So it's x plus 3/8 equals plus or minus square root 119 times I over 8. And that's x equals a -3/8 plus or minus square root 119 times I over 8.